the total amount then calculated as being owed in terms of tax to SARS amounts to an amount of 25,717,680.44. That amount is actually made up of the following: the personal income tax liability, which alone is about 22.5 million. The exact amount appears there. And then corporate income tax understatement was in the region of just about almost 2.2 million. And then there's VAT in respect of the company not being registered. That's Ambro Bright, and that's just over $1 million. So that is the kind of amounts that we're looking at in respect of this matter. So let's start firstly with the annexure Bay affidavit. That is for accused number 1, where he attaches a SARS income tax statement and reference has been made to it. Now, upon closer perusal of this, one will note that the years that appear thereafter under transaction description actually reflect the years of 2021 and 2022. And as I've indicated, we've charged, this is a tax assessment in respect of personal income tax. And if the court, as I just indicated and summarized, if you look, the years that we've charged for actually go up until the years of 2018 for that period. So per se, and then I'm assuming after the investigations, etc., was instituted in terms of this matter, they then got this thereafter. But basically, it does not form this part of that counts 1 to 4 at this stage. Having said that, we also need to consider then that those years, as well as the amount involved here, does not corroborate with the amounts we've actually established at this stage. And we've charged at this stage not even for the penalty interest. We've just charged sort of, if I may use the inverted commas, for the actual amount and not penalty interest. So one has to consider with accused number 1, he's been charged collectively in terms, as I've indicated the amounts just now. The personal income tax amount is in the region of over 20 million right now, that alone. Then he's liable as well for the company income tax. So one has to consider those amounts that are being alleged when considering the matter further in respect of his submissions in his bail affidavit and that annexure. I just wanted to correct that from the state side. With regards to his further submissions in 12.17, he's indicated that he's a director of a few companies. According to our knowledge, it differs. He's actually a director of over 23 companies. And some of those companies, he shares co-directorship with the accused before court, I may mention. So with regards to him, and we shall address holistically our bail submissions on each of them and the amounts at the end. That's with regard and respect to accused number 1.